Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP bears to target sub -$0.3450 on SEC versus Ripple anxiety following a bearish Saturday session. XRP was on the back foot again this morning. Investor jitters over the SEC versus Ripple case continues to weigh. On Saturday, XRP fell by 0.65% to end the day at $0.35212. A quiet crypto session saw trading volumes pull back, with no updates from the SEC versus Ripple case to draw interest. The technical indicators remain bearish, with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA, supporting a near-term decline to 30 cents. On Saturday, XRP fell by 0.65%. Partially reversing a 1.47% gain from Friday, XRP ended the day at $0.35212. XRP held onto the 35 cents handle for the second time in 7 sessions. A bearish morning saw XRP fall from an early high of $0.35443 to a late morning low of $0.35109. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3493, XRP rose to a late high of $0.3527 before easing back. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case from Friday to provide direction. The lack of updates left investors to consider the possible outcomes of the case and the chances of a Ripple victory. SEC versus Ripple case continues to test investor sentiment, and SEC victory would be bad for XRP and the broader crypto market. This week, Gary Gensler vowed to target crypto platforms that fail to follow securities laws. The comments come in the wake of the collapse of FTX and news of the SEC's relationship with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, leading to SEC General Counsel Dan Berkowitz announcing his departure. For the XRP community, the William Hinman speech-related documents remain the focal point. The SEC-FTX relationship highlights the regulator's selective relationships within the crypto community. This week, the SEC sought to shield the Hinman speech-related documents again. Before the Thursday filing, the SEC had made at least 6 attempts to protect the William Hinman speech-related documents under the attorney-client privilege. The SEC's failed attempts culminated in the court ordering the SEC to hand the documents over to the defendants. A court ruling against the SEC would allow the use of the documents in court and make the speech-related documents a matter of public record. Considering the SEC's ongoing efforts to shield the documents, such a court ruling could force the SEC into a settlement. For Gary Gensler and the SEC, a Ripple settlement would bring greater lawmaker scrutiny and could pass the responsibility of regulating the digital asset space to the CFTC, a preferred eventuality for the crypto community. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacker, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacker. Uncertainty over the court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs and Thursday's filings will likely test investor sentiment over the holidays. XRP price action at the time of writing, XRP was down 0.75% to $0.34948. A bearish start to the day saw XRP fall from an early high of $0.35172 to a low of $0.34849. XRP fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.3507 and briefly through the second major support level, S2, at $0.3492. Technical indicators XRP needs to move through S1 and the $0.3525 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3540 and the Saturday high of $0.35443. A return to $0.3540 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.3559 would likely come into play. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3592. Failure to move through S1 and the pivot would leave the second major support level, S2, at $0.3492 in play. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid the third major support level, S3, at $0.3459. Today, there are unlikely to be any material updates from the SEC versus Ripple case to influence. A lack of news will likely cap any upside. The EMAs in the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bearish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat below the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.35288. The 50-day EMA eased back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA falling back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were mixed. A breakout from the 50-day EMA, $0.35288, would support a move through R1, $0.3540, to target R2, $0.3559. However, failure to move through the 50-day EMA, $0.35288, would leave XRP at risk of a fall to sub-34 cents. XRP's local uptrend is in danger as it reaches 35 cents since reaching a bottom on December 19. XRP has entered a local uptrend, gaining around 7% to its value in less than 2 weeks. Such a recovery was not really expected, considering the existing market conditions and the lack of market-moving news for XRP in the space. However, it seems like the pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency has come. A few days ago, XRP reached the local resistance level on the intraday chart reflected by the moving average with a period of 50 candles. Traditionally, the line acts as a guideline for assets moving in up or downtrends. In case of a breakout, traders receive a trend reversal signal and act accordingly. In the case of XRP, the coin reached the aforementioned resistance and then failed to break it due to the insignificant amount of buying power on the market. The lack of momentum that would help the coin break the resistance shows the lack of foundation behind the local uptrend, which makes it purely speculative. It most likely acts as a correctional move in the prolonged downtrend. If we look at longer time frames, we will clearly see the insignificance of the most recent move conducted by XRP. We can see that the coin is continuing its journey to new local lows instead of finding ground for a solid bounce. Considering the current state of the market and the upcoming Christmas and New Year holidays in the US and other markets, the cryptocurrency industry should enter a stalemate up until January 5 and then start recovering in terms of trading volume, liquidity and volatility. XRP price analysis for December 24 bears are back in the game, according to CoinMarketCap's ranking. XRP, USD XRP is an exception, rising by 0.36% over the past 24 hours. Despite the slight rise, XRP is looking bearish on the local chart. The price is returning to the hourly support level at $0.3511. If the bar closes around it, the drop may lead to a test of the 35 cents zone by tomorrow. The opposite situation is on the daily time frame, as the rate is located near the resistance level at $0.3570. However, it is too early to think about an upward move, as buyers need to fix the rate above the aforementioned level to seize the initiative. If that happens, the growth may last to the 37 cents mark. From the midterm point of view, the situation is also more bullish than bearish. After the closed bearish candle, buyers are trying to seize the initiative. Currently, one should pay attention to 35 cents, as closure above it could be a prerequisite for a move to the 37 cents zone. The volume is rising, which confirms bull's power. XRP is trading at $0.3519 at press time. Ripple CTO makes prediction on Bitcoin like POW chains. Details: Ripple CTO David Schwartz believes POW, proof of work, the consensus mechanism that underlies the Bitcoin network and similar networks, will not go away. The Ripple executive was responding to a Twitter user who had asked for his thoughts on whether Bitcoin mining would still exist past 2030 as governments push toward a sustainable green future. He rather believes that the popularity of the POW consensus mechanism might wane over time. Schwartz predicts that despite this, one POW chain would stand the test of time. However, he is not sure if it would be Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.